Hello and welcome. In this video, I want to talk about why everyone should use LaTeX to type the documents that you intend to publish. Let's start with a motivating example. Look at this here. This is an article. The document class is an article, and here's the output of this article. As you can see, I have a logo that spans the text nicely. The documents look very beautiful. But watch what happens if I change the option to 2 columns. If I change it to 2 columns, it will change the document to 2 columns. But as you can see, the graphics scale to the column width. You can't do that easily if you have a what do you call it? Word, Microsoft Word or OpenOffice or whatever. And you can see the document is beautiful, nicely written. So here's one of the main reasons why you want to use LaTeX. You don't have to, first, the documents look beautiful and very nicely aligned with the paragraph. And you can't get that easily with things like Microsoft Word. You can also separate document design from document content. As you can see here, we don't worry about much of whether it will be 2 column or not, or a single column, because we basically worry about the content, because later you might want to submit it to different conferences or journals, right? So every journal have their own sectioning. If we see here, I could change this to IEEE TRAN, which is the IEEE what do you call it? Not conference, it's called journal. As you can see, the numbering of the sections are now in Roman numerals, and also the subsections are in alphabetical or alpha, A, B, C, D, and then the subsection is 1 as opposed to the normal one. What was the normal one? The normal one was 1, 2, 3, and then we have 0.1, and then 0.2, and then point as a subsectioning. Also, you can break the sections into multiple files. You can break the document, one document, into multiple text files, which helps when you collaborate with other users. What else is there? We can also, it's also very powerful with mathematical equations and formulas, which is very, very useful, like if you're dealing with computer science stuff or mathematical. A lot of people in mathematics use LaTeX to write books and write things like that. So the modular, the way you design function, you can write functions, mathematical functions. Another advantage is this is the document. It's plain text, so the size of the document is very small. You could make it very small, and you can actually use GitHub or Git repositories to check in, check out. So that's basically the reason why I think everyone should learn how to use LaTeX. And it takes some time to get used to it. I mean, most of the time, you want to learn how to use tables and how to, use the mathematical equations and figures. And if you need help, you can always get and find help online. There's a big community that uses LaTeX in the academia. And you can always find help in how to solve certain problems. As you can see, the design here, this document have very large margin. We can go to the ACM art, which is the ACM article, and it makes it, I think there is a problem there. I think it's in the abstract. So the abstract in ACM, I think, goes before. So now it doesn't have error. So this is an ACM article, right? And also we can have more of that. So you can, let me change to a different style. So this is SIG conference and screen. If I try this, you can see that the document here have lines, line numbers. So when you submit it for review, they could tell you what line to look at. And a lot of conferences like that, I submitted something. I have something for MDBPI, which is an open source journal, and that's how they do it. Because they can review it and they can give you the line number where you need to look at. As you can see also, things are formatted. This is in bold. The numbering is according to their format, the italics, and A lot of things are done for you where you don't have to worry much about it. So let me try IEEE Conf, which is IEEE Conference. And with that, the abstract with IEEE is in the document like this. All right. As you can see here, oh, I think I put it in the wrong way. Oop, here maybe? Yeah, there you go. So as you can see, this here is the IEEE conference. So the formatting is done in a certain way, like table 1, test, whatever. But the IEEE TRAN will use different numbering and different formatting. As you can see, if you look here, it's A as opposed to like point something. And you also have the table is also different. So the table says is all, the description of the table is all in all caps, right? Some conferences will require that the last page will be, basically they have the same length. And in LaTeX, we could basically do this command, flush end, and I just run it. And if I look at it now, the last 2 columns are in the same end. So there's a lot to do there, and I think everyone should learn LaTeX for their typing. Don't use Word. You can practice with, writing your own documents, homework, reports, whatever. It's very good. There's also thesis format. A lot of universities use that. Anyways, thank you for watching this video, and thanks for all the subscribers. Please subscribe and like and share. And you have a good one, and good luck with your work. Bye-bye.